Epperson versus Arkansas, Teaching the Theory of Evolution by Allison Ashlock. The Arkansas legislature passed a law prohibiting teachers in public or state-supported schools from teaching the theory of evolution. As a result, a new curriculum standard and textbook were put into the school system. Susan Epperson was a biology teacher at Arkansas Central High School. The adaptation of the new textbook and curriculum standard put her in a legal dilemma because it remained a criminal offense to teach the material in her state, and would put her at risk for dismissal.
Instead of risking being thrown in jail or fired, Epperson chose to try to eliminate the dilemma by eliminating the law. She filed in Chancery Court in Pulaski County, Arkansas, seeking nullification of the law and an injunction against her being dismissed for teaching the evolutionary curriculum. The state Chancery Court held that the statute violates the 14th Amendment, which embraces the First Amendment's prohibition of state laws respecting an establishment of religion. The lower court decided the law was unconstitutional because it, quote, tends to hinder the quest for knowledge, restrict the freedom to learn, and restrict the freedom to teach. In 1967, the Arkansas Supreme Court reversed the lower court ruling. This decision left the ban against teaching evolution in effect. Epperson appealed to the Supreme Court of the United States of America. Eugene R. Warren presented arguments for Epperson, and Don Langston, the Assistant Attorney General for Arkansas, argued on behalf of the state of Arkansas. Both Langston and the State Appeal Court focused on the power given to states to set curriculum standards and did not delve far into the subject of evolutionary theory itself, nor the boundaries between church and state. The U.S. Supreme Court found the reasons given in Arkansas's reversal were in error. They went on to say that the clear purpose of Arkansas's statute against the teaching of evolution was to protect a particular religious view, and was thus unconstitutional. The justices' votes were unanimous, 9 votes for Epperson, 0 votes against. Justice Fortas wrote, "The state's undoubted right to prescribe the curriculum for its public schools does not carry with it the right to prohibit, on pain of criminal penalty, the teaching of a scientific theory or doctrine, where that prohibition is based upon reasons that violate the First Amendment." As a result of this Supreme Court decision, states were forbidden to ban the teaching of evolution, even in public schools. Because of that, creationists had to find some other means to oppose godless evolution. At this time, scientific creationism began to be developed by those looking for a way to challenge evolution in the science classes with something that did not appear to be as overtly religious. Wait,